Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today in this video lecture, I will discuss about the Microsoft support for 2012 R2 servers or 2012 servers, which is going to end on 10th of October 2023. After that, Microsoft will not provide any kind of security fixes or the security updates for these 2012 or 2012 R2 servers. So in this scenario, Microsoft has announced three options which the organization should choose to get the support for next 3 years, that is till 2026. So the first option Microsoft has announced is either you can upgrade 2012 R2 servers to 2016 or 2019 or 2022 OS. Secondly, you can just purchase the ESU, that is extended security updates for the on-premises servers. And thirdly, you can migrate the on-premises servers to Azure to get free ESUs, extended security updates. So till date, these are the three options which Microsoft has given to all the organizations and their customers. So you can choose either of them. So that's all about the Microsoft announcement. If you do have any queries or suggestions, please do put in the comment box and I would definitely respond to those. If you have any suggestions for the new topic on which I should prepare the video, please do comment or let me know, and I would definitely prepare that video on that specific topic. Till then, goodbye, take care, let's meet in the next video.